Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a project that's bridging the gap between AI and DeFi to help everyday users to tap into something usually reserved for big whales, MEV extraction. We're talking about DCodex. If you've ever wondered how people make money from price differences between exchanges or liquidation events on the blockchain, this is for you. Let's break down what it is, how to use it, and most importantly, what the earning potential looks like. Before we get started, let me mention that I am not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Everything I will show you is just for educational purposes. If you think that this tool will help you financially, I suggest you do your own research before you invest. So what is DCodex? In simple terms, it's a platform that uses AI-driven quantitative trading to capture MEV. Think of it like this. On the blockchain, prices for the same token can be slightly different on different exchanges, right? DCodex AI engine scans the meme pool 24/7, finds these gaps, and executes trades in milliseconds to grab that profit. They use strategies like arbitrage, sandwich attacks, and liquidations to keep the returns coming in. Let's step back a bit and learn what crypto arbitrage is. So it is a trading strategy that involves purchasing cryptocurrencies on one exchange at a lower price, take note, and simultaneously or quickly selling them on another exchange at a higher price to profit from the price difference. Now, instead of scouring thousands of tokens just to find this price difference, DCodex will do the hard work for you. It's very simple to get started. So we just need to click the select wallet and then choose our wallet, for example, MetaMask or Phantom. And then once we're connected, we can see on our dashboard the available balance that we have. Next thing we need to do is go to an on-chain data platform and look for target coins that are on potential arbitrage. Once we're done looking for potential tokens, all we need to do is click the Start MEV bot, and the AI bot will do all the hard things for us to find and look for transactions where it can do a sandwich attack. If the scan is successful, we will see a summary here at the bottom of our dashboard, the number of transactions and the profit we made. You can also find here at the bottom the summary of the sandwich attack. And like I said a while ago, every transaction here at DCodex are transparent and can be found on the blockchain. So that's how simple it is, guys. Connect your wallet, add funds to your account, look for token addresses to add on your bot list, and then fourth is watch your bot do the magic. And if ever you're wondering, is DCodex a legal business? So I have a good news for you guys. They are registered in the state of California, USA. The company maintains a registered capital of 10 million USD. And if you want to know the people behind DCodex, you can find it here on their white paper. I'll put the link in the comment section and description section of our video so you guys can go ahead and check all the details about DCodex. Now guys, let's talk about numbers. So this is the part I know everybody is waiting for. So according to their current performance metrics, DCodex is seeing an average monthly return of around 15%, guys. So can you imagine that? And if you look at the bigger picture, that's an annualized target yield of 180%. Now keep in mind, this is crypto, of course, and markets change. But the cool thing here is that these results are on-chain and verifiable. It's designed to be more stable than just holding a volatile coin because it profits from market inefficiencies, not just price going up. So why use DCodex instead of doing it yourself? Well, MEV is a speed game, guys, and if you're not a bot running on a high-speed infrastructure, you'll lose to one of the AIs out there. DCodex gives you that institutional grade tech private meme pool routing and AI-driven algorithms so you can compete with the pro traders. DCodex is definitely an interesting way to put your assets to work using the latest in AI and blockchain tech. If you want to check it out for yourself, again, I put the link in the description and comment section of our video. In my opinion, guys, this is something promising, and as we all know, AI nowadays can do a lot of stuff on the internet. So doing arbitrage on crypto and also sandwich attack, I don't think it's really impossible for the AIs. So if you've been doing arbitrage or you're new to it, why not try DCodex? But of course, start small, and as you see your money grows, then it's up to you, of course, if you want to add more funds to your account. If you have any questions about DCodex, let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto reviews. Good luck on all your trades, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!